channel. Today I will share with you the secret AI prompt formula you should know. Every creator should know. Let me ask you first, have you ever asked AI to write something and the result was completely boring or useless? Maybe it sounded robotic, or maybe it was too generic, or maybe it had nothing to do with what you asked or with what you wanted. And you start thinking, maybe AI just isn't that good. But here is the truth most creators do not understand or realize. The problem is not the AI, but the prompt you use or you give to the AI. Today, I am going to show you the secret prompt formula that creators use to get amazing results from AI. Whether you are writing YouTube scripts, generating video ideas, or writing courses or creating content faster. Once you understand this simple trick, AI becomes one of the most powerful tools in your creation or in your creator tool as the creator toolkit. Let's see them one by one. The structure. How can you ask or tell AI in order to the AI understand it, what you ask, and create it as you want to get result. Why most creators fail with AI? Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes. Most creators use prompt like this. Random prompt, write YouTube script about productivity, or give me 5 ideas, or write this. And that is not more than, no detail, no structure, no direction, or no format. Then the AI spits out something that sounds like boring school essay. And the creator thinks AI content just isn't good. But imagine hiring freelancer and saying, create something good. The freelancers may probably ask you, good for whom, how long, what style, what format, or length, how many minutes, how much minutes. AI works also the same way. It is incredibly powerful if you give it clear instruction, but only when you give it clear instruction and where the secret prompt formula comes in. 2. The secret formula. The best creators use every simple structure when writing prompts. It called role, task, audience, structure, and style. Let's break it down. Role. First, tell the AI who it should act like. For example, you are the YouTube content strategist or writer. Now the AI knows the perspective it should write from. 2. Task. Next, tell it exactly what you want to do. For example, write high retention YouTube script. Now it understands the goal. Audience. Who is the content for? Example, audience, beginner creators or advanced creators. Now the AI knows how simple or advanced the content should be. 4th, structure. Tell how the content should be organized. Example, include a strong hook, storytelling, engaging sections, and call to action. Now the AI knows the format. 5th, style. finally explain how it should sound. For example, make the script conversational and engaging, and just like that. The output becomes 10 times better. 3. Real example of the powerful prompt. Let me show you a real example. Most people write prompt like this. Write video about productivity. This is random question or short question. AI cannot understand and will not give you good result. But here is the creator version, the short version of the actual product. At the end, I will put the link of my store. You can download the actual highly proven and detailed prompt in order to create faster and amazing result for any niche, for any creation, or for any content you want. For example, this is the short version of the prompt. You are the YouTube content strategist. Write high retention 5-minute YouTube script about productivity. Highly detailed. For busy creators, include strong hook, storytelling, viewer engagement questions, and call to action. Make the script conversational and engaging. This is a highly detailed prompt that AI can understand and give you amazing result. See the difference. Now the AI understands who who it is doing, what it is doing, who it is helping, how the content should be structured, and how it should sound. And now it should sound. That is the difference between average results and amazing results. Why this is super power for creators? Once master, once you master the prompting, you unlock the something powerful. You can use AI to generate unlimited video ideas, write better hooks, create YouTube scripts faster, plan content creators, turn one idea into 10 pieces of content. Instead of spending hours starting at a blank screen, you suddenly have creative partner helping you think. And for creators, this is massive. Now, viewers, I will show you how can we what comes out. I copy the prompt and I will paste on ChatGPT. You will see ChatGPT writing. Still writing. Look, now you will get the highly desired script, 5-minute script. Look now. Look the structure, viewers. This is highly detailed YouTube script. Isn't that amazing? Highly detailed. This is amazing prompt viewers. This is a short version of the actual prompt. If you want to try it or use it, if you are interested, download it from the comment section and use. It saves you so much time and give you amazing results for your creation. Don't forget to subscribe to this new channel. Thank you for watching.